I want to show you today how easy it is to switch LLM providers and or models with Chatnificent and see how easy and how to do it in various ways. So let's go through how you can start the default application from Chatnificent, import the main class Chatnificent, and you instantiate the app this way, and you run it with python app.py. Now you can come here and go to the URL, and you can say anything hello and get the response. Okay. Now the default here is OpenAI. Let me just stop the server. And this object takes a bunch of parameters. And today I'm going to focus on the LLM parameter. Okay, so LLM is, as I said, OpenAI by default, and now we're going to change it. So I imported Chatnificent as chat just to make it easier. I'm going to say chat.llm. This is the LLM module. And as you see here, we have a bunch of providers available by default. So instead of OpenAI, I'm going to use the next easiest thing, which is OpenRouter. OpenRouter is not an LLM, but it is a router of models. As you can see here, they have more than 500 models. So you can just easily switch between them simply by selecting a model. So let's choose one of them. We can go with Google Gemini 2.5. All we have to do is set model equals this, the thing that we just copied and pasted, and we can run this and start here and say, whatever, what's your name? I'm a large language model trained by Google. So as you can see here, we're using OpenRouter, but we're going through another model. You can use something else. So NVIDIA released something recently, and we can use that instead. Let me stop the server, start it again, and a new page here. What's your name? And let's see what it says. All of a sudden now it's no longer Google, it's my name is Nemotron-H, etc. Okay, so this is the next easiest thing. Now, if all these things assume that I have an OpenRouter API key set. If you want the specific SDK like Anthropic, you can do so over here. It's going to run the same thing. No need to go through the whole process again, or you can do DeepSeek and so on. This just assumes that you have these keys as environment variables. Okay, so let's try a third option. Okay, and this option is running a local model. So let me go to the command line and start Ollama serve. So now I have a server running, and because it's now running, I can see which models I have. Ollama list. So I have these models installed on my computer. So I'm gonna copy this one, and instead of DeepSeek, I'm gonna say Ollama, and the model is equal to this, whatever you copied and pasted, and let's run it again. Sorry, model typo. Okay, and let's start a new browser. What's your name? And we'll see here that the server is starting to process the messages, 4.52 seconds, and let's get the response. And now we have a response. Hello, my name is Gemma, etc., etc., etc. So yeah, I hope you can see how easy it is to switch models. We said the default is OpenAI. You can use OpenRouter and select any of more than 500 models available. You can use the specific SDK if you want Gemini or Anthropic, and you can run a local model like Ollama, which also provides a bunch of other LLMs and models of its own. Yeah, so I hope this was clear and hopefully easy, and I would love to see what you can build with it, and if you have any suggestions or questions, please let me know. Thank you very much.